Once again, more than 93 people have lost their lives in Assam floods. More than 29 lakh people are directly affected. 92% of Kaziranga National Park has submerged underwater and 129 animals lost their lives. Over the years, the frequency of floods in northeastern state has increased. Assam has faced floods almost every year since 2012. Assam has always been India's most flood prone state because of the instability of the massive Brahmaputra river. The Brahmaputra is so vast and massive that it is even visible from the space. Not only the Brahmaputra river, but there are also many reasons behind these floods. The water vapor that feeds precipitation comes from two sources. One study concludes that about 60% of the rain and the snow that falls over the land comes from the moisture originating from the oceans, and the other 40% is recycled over the continents. China, for example, gets most of its rain and snow from evaporation over Eurasia. As the atmosphere gets warmer, it can hold more moisture, and the intensity of downpours and therefore the risk of floods depends in part on how much water the air can hold at a given time. The rate of evaporation from the ocean is increasing as the world warms. Think about the heating a large pot of water on your stove. The higher you turn the dial, the faster the water evaporates. Pretty much the same thing happens with the planet and globally. This higher rate of evaporation contributes to more extreme rain and snow events. India's greenest region, the Northeast has been consistently losing tree cover over the last 18 years. The loss has been doubled in the last 5 years. According to the data mapped by Global Forest Watch, the statewide data available with DH shows that the loss of tree cover in Northeast India amounts to over 70% of all tree loss in India that occurred between 2001 and 2018. Net loss of tree cover between 2000 and 2018 in India is 16,744 square kilometers. Out of this, 12,523 square kilometers is from northeastern states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and others. Floodplains provide the space for rivers to spread their waters. When the space is missing due to encroachments, the river surges up and creates destruction. The lack of protection of river floodplains from damaging impacts like encroachment and diversion for developmental projects is a tragedy that affects both the river as well as those who encroach it adversely. The river suffers as is it unable to occupy and transport floodwaters downstream during high rainfall events. It is unable to recharge aquifers, wet the lands along its bank, or provide life-sustaining conditions to plant or animal habitats along the river margins and banks. Damage to floodplains harms the riverine ecosystem, lessens groundwater recharge capacity, and poses threats of flash floods. People too suffer an immense loss of life and property, including loss of public infrastructure like bridges, roads, schools, etc. Embankments refer to a wall that is constructed on the banks of a river to control the flow of the river and to prevent flooding of nearby areas. Historically, all believe that it is the simplest way to prevent river flooding. But the problem with an embankment is that whenever we try to restrict the flow of a river and try to reduce the area of the river, the speed of the river will increase and gradually the level of the river will also increase. Because if we reduce the area of the river, sedimentation will increase. Because before building embankments, the sedimentation that were being deposited in a large area, but now they are being deposited in a smaller area. If it is not removed, then the level of the river will continuously rise and the river will overflow. then there would be no use of the embankments that were constructed. Factors that cause embankment failure includes overtopping erosion, structural failures, leaf saturation or embankment breach. The most frequent and dangerous is an embankment breach. Here a part of the embankment breaks or is eroded, leaving a large opening for water to flood land otherwise protected by the leaf. The breach can be a sudden or gradual failure caused either by surface erosion or by subsurface weakness in the embankment. We can observe that the causes are more than the solutions, but it would be difficult if we ignore the solution because of the causes. The most effective solution to prevent floods is giving space for the rivers to flow by building embankments further away from the river. If we construct the embankments further away from the rivers, the river will get a larger area to flow. So if the speed of the river increases, the water will not overflow. The problem of sedimentation also will get reduced. We can also reduce the height of the floodplains to decrease the height of the river. So that is it for today, guys. I hope that my explanation was clear and you were able to understand my video. So please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because it motivates me.